Mostly I'm Factorization, and today we're going to be doing the least common multiples. So right now we have 30, 10, the same thing like the greatest common factor, but a little bit different. This time we're doing listing multiples. Well, there's three ways: listing multiples, prime factorization, and cake layers. So first we're going to start with listing multiples, and you just need to wait a second because I need to look at a chart because I have no idea what's the multiple of 30. Okay, I got it, guys, and now what? Okay, so none of the business. No, I have the 30 greatest common multiple. No, listing multiples, and it's right over here. Sorry for all this. So all this is the multiples of 3. If it makes sense. Okay, here we go. So the multiple of 30 is 30. Wait just a second. 30, of course. 30, 60, 90. And I think that's all we need to put because you know why I'm stopping there? I'm going to delete that. Okay. So if you could see right here, right here. So look. So if I go to 10, I see 30, right? If I go all the way to number 1 and 30, it will be right here. So it will be for the tens, 10, 20, 30. So now we can see what is our greatest multiple of all times. It is, if I could get this correctly, nope, wrong one. Okay, so you can learn. You know what? Yep, it has nothing. So let's do this. So there we go. There we go. How do we even do this? Oops, delete that and let's start all over. So okay, right over. Can I move it? No, I can't. Okay, you know what? I'll just use the brushes. There we go. So the least what we like to say is LCM is 30. So there you go. So that's the listing multiple. So sorry if I had something wrong. So now we're on with the prime factorization, 42 and 45. So we could divide 45 and 42 with what I'm gonna use brush. So what I'm gonna do is 42 first. So 6 times 7. 7 is prime. 6 can be divided by 2 times 3. Okay, so guys, so this is the prime numbers of this, and let's see of 20, 45. So there is 9 times 5. 5 is prime. Wait, let me just put this down. Sorry if I'm getting confused, you guys. So 5, 9 could be divided by 3 times 3. Put this down. So now we have our multiples here. So sorry if I have terrible writing in the computer. So what we have for I need to put this more longer. So what we have for 42 oops, 42 equals 2 times 2, no wait, 2 times 3 times 7. So that's for 42 and 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, so that is our thing, and we gotta do the same thing. Now we need to erase this. We need to do it like last time. I made another mistake. I think this video will be more longer than my other one, than my listing factors. Sorry if you cannot hear me. If you cannot hear me, that means I gotta make the video more louder. So after that, we need to make Venn diagram. So we need to do it like last time. So 1, 2. So we gotta do it like that. And this is how a Venn diagram looks like. Now we're going to have to put. Okay, we need to look here. So there is a 3, and that's all. So if we put, no, we'll put it in the middle. 3. So here we'll put, no, right on the top. 2 and 7. So after I put that, I need to put 3 and 5. So instead of just multiplying the middle, you need to multiply everything, which is very hard. So we need to separate them. So I think we need to erase everything. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness, that is so hard. So we need to do 2 times 3. Then we gotta do 5 times 7. Then, okay, let's see. So we go back here. So we have 2 times 3 and 5 times 7. Now we have 3 here. So if I do 2 times 3, it'll equal 6. And if I times it with 3 again, 18. Now 5 times 7 is 35. So I need to put 35 here. 35. And I need to draw a little line right here. If I can. Okay. So we need to now put it next here. You don't need to be all organized like me. So after that, we need to times it. So I'll use a brush this time. So 5 times 8 is 40. Let's see. So it's 5, 8, 40. So that's a 0. That's a 4. 5, 1, 5, 4, 9, 3, 8. Let me just do this. 3, 8, 24. Then 3, 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Then after that, we need to get an answer. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Oops, 0. 4 plus 9. 9 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3 and 5. So this is our answer. we go. 530. That's a lot. Well, I think that's how we're supposed to do it. So our greatest common multiple is 530. So now we're with the cake layers. This is pretty hard. That's the time. So what's divided by 12 and 27? 3. So 3, 12, 4, 3, 27, 9. Oh, we cannot divide that, so we'll multiply all this. So that equals 12 times 9, 108. So our greatest common multiple is 108. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. I'm sorry guys, I did everything wrong, and I just double checked my work, and I got something wrong. 530 was supposed to be 630. You know why? 9 times 4 is 13. 3 comes down, 1 goes up, and then 5, 6, and then 630. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for waiting to the end. Please tell me a link down below. And yeah. See you guys later after I do my homework.
No, what's in that?
I know. Bye.